Welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make videos with Creatify.ai. So we are in Creatify and this is actually pretty sick. So what you can actually do here is all you need to do is add your Amazon product link, your Shopify product link, App Store product link, whatever it is you'd like to go ahead and add in here. You can see that it supports a large array of different online stores. So what you'll do here now is add your link. And if you'd like to just create a product right here, you can go ahead and click on choose existing product. And if you don't see a list of products that you have created, you're going to go up to the top right hand side and click on new product. Here you can import it, you can enter it manually, you can sync, or you can bulk upload, which these two options are still in the making. But if you want to just enter it manually, you can go ahead, click on that, and you can enter the product name, category, description, some selling points, and of course some images. Now I've already done this, so I'm going to go ahead and just select this product. So here we go, select this and click on use this product. And you can see now, Creatify is now getting started, it's working. From here, you are going to just add some media and some product details. So we've got our brand or our product. We can add a logo, product description, which is already given me a description. It's already put in a description for me, which is great, which means I don't have to put in my own description. And then you have some assets. So to get started, you need a minimum of 3 images or 1 video. And this, of course, will help the ad to be the best quality. So then we're going to go ahead and if you click on this promotional info, you can now add your original price, your promo price, promotion details. Maybe there's free shipping, maybe there's a percentage off, double rewards, whatever it is, you can add this in over here. I'm going to go ahead and add my media. All right, from here, we're going to go ahead and click on next. Here you will be able to choose some video settings. So you can actually choose a universal platform, which is the general option, or you can optimize it for any one of these social medias. So let's go ahead and actually optimize it for, let's say, Instagram. You can also just choose the aspect ratio, which you can change, and then your duration. So let's go ahead. We're going to choose 30 seconds, and here we're going to choose a language. Of course, there are quite a few options, and then you can add your target audience, which I've chosen moms and dads with toddlers. So this is a coloring book, so that is my target audience. You can also go ahead and see that they've given some suggestions as well, which makes it super easy. So let's go ahead and click on next. You now have the option to choose from a few options of their AI generated scripts. You can also just click on the use your own script, so you can just add literally your own script. And then what you're going to do here is go ahead and you can change the tone. Okay, so for me, I'm just going to go ahead. I'm going to use this one here, and I'm going to choose this super casual tone over here. That is great. It's going to just regenerate it so that it can just change a little bit of the sentence structure so that it can be slightly more accompanied to the super casual tone. Let's go ahead and click on next. All right, now we get to choose an avatar. Now you can see there are many options. Some of these people look scary. I would not want to buy a coloring book for my child from some of these looking people. You can also see that there are styled avatars. So if you just go ahead and click on that, you can also see that if you go into custom avatar, you can actually create your own avatar over here. But for now, we're just going to go back to the realistic avatar. You can change the gender, age, location, industry, style. And once you have filtered out all of that, I'm going to go ahead. We are going to choose this person. And you can see that she's got a very neat house. So obviously she does not have any children. We're going to just go ahead and choose this person over here. And once we've chosen this person, we are going to literally just click on one of the styles and click on next. All right, so now you can see that they have generated 16 videos. That's a lot, right? And obviously on the free trial, I've got only 10 credits. So we're going to find out now how many credits one video takes. And it also says that accurate lip sync will be available after rendering. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to choose this one over here. Let's go ahead and click on got it.
So my 3-year-old was basically glued to her iPad all day, total screen zombie mode. Then I swapped it out for this coloring book and wow, what a game changer. Now she's obsessed with making art, her hand-eye coordination.
All right, fantastic. So obviously that child is not 3 years old, but we are going to go through all of them and see which one is best going to suit our needs. Now, once you've chosen the one that you do want, you're going to go and click on render. And here we can either upgrade or just say render. Okay, it's now rendered, it's done. You'll find it, if you go back to your dashboard, you'll find it there. And just quickly, you also have the option to do some editing. So if you're unhappy with some of the bits and pieces in the video, you can go ahead and click on edit. I hope this was helpful.